So today now our the Lulu boyfriend's birthday. Now so everybody just dey expect say make they see wetin Unigwe go post. Now so Unigwe finally confirm say this guy wey una dey see, this Samsung guy wey una dey see, na true na my guy wey him be. Cause the kind caption wey dey for wetin she post e pass ordinary friend thing. Let's take a look at wetin she post. She talk say, happy birthday to a very special person. You already know how I feel about you. I go love you. Have the best birthday yet. See, as you can see, this one pass ordinary friend capture thing. So I be my people waiting. I think what we go call this ship now? Drop your opinion for comment section. Let's give them name, cause I don't they love this couple already. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. It's still me girl Cindy. Bye.
I love you. Please just trust me, okay? Nothing happened. Nothing was going to happen.
That's it? That's your big explanation? And did you even say trust? Bide, who are we even kidding? That is something that we clearly do not have in this relationship. Well, it's very clear now that this is not working out.
You see, the stomach is the way to a man's heart, but in your case, you have already stolen my heart.